It's time to get back into the Moodle application where we will view and modify the capabilities associated with a role. When you assign a user to a role, it results in some specific permissions or capabilities being granted to the user in the system. You can review those capabilities as an administrator in the Site Administration menu. But first, before we do that, I'm going to show you here in Server Environment. I've upgraded the Moodle version to 3.2.9. And one easy way to take a look at what the capabilities are for a role in the system is to go to the Site Administration menu, Users, under Permissions, click Define Roles. And here you can see the list of roles that are available by default in the Moodle system. And notice as you hover your mouse over the Course Creator role hyperlink here, that it shows you the ID number right here. And that can be handy. That happens a lot of places here in the Moodle user interface. When you hover over a link, take a look at it, check it out, because oftentimes there's an important ID value displayed right here. So let's go ahead and click on the Course Creator roles hyperlink and take a look at the definition of the Course Creator role. Just scroll down a little bit on this page and you can see the capabilities that are associated with the Course Creator role. And I haven't done any modifications to this at all yet, and you can count them out here and see that there are currently 9 capabilities associated with the Course Creator role. And how about if we change that? I'll scroll up and just click the Edit button here. And that will allow us to edit the capabilities for the role. And for convenience sake, all I'm going to do is scroll down here just a little bit, and I'm going to check Allow on the very first one, Block Admin Bookmarks. And then I'll scroll back up and click Save Changes. And then if we scroll down, you can see that the Course Creator role now has the capability for Block Admin Bookmarks. And so if you count them, we've got 10 capabilities now for the Course Creator role. Now let's hop back over to PHPMyAdmin, and I'm going to browse the Moodle role table. Just verify quick that the ID for the Course Creator role here is 2. Next, we want to see the capability assignments. So I'm going to click Browse on the Role Capabilities table, and here we have a list of capabilities. So the ID field is the primary key field for this table. The context ID ties over to a context table, and we'll talk more about context later on in this course. The role ID ties to the role table. So any records in this table with the value of 2 would be associated with the Course Creator role. We'll be querying for those here in just a bit. The next column, capability, is the actual text that describes the capability as we saw in the user interface. Permission of 1 means that allow checkbox is checked. Time modified is a Unix timestamp that represents the number of seconds since January 1st, 1971. And it's not very easy to read those, pretty much impossible. But here later on in this course, I'm also going to show you how to display those timestamps in a much more readable way, both in PHPMyAdmin queries and in the Moodle user interface. And then the modifier ID will be populated with the user's ID when a user modifies the capability. And we'll see more about that here in just a second as well. And now that you've been introduced to the data, get ready to write some more queries.